thought I'd show you this. It's a MMDVM jumbo hotspot, but with this USB adapter that I've just added to it, so you don't have to use a mini USB. So it's all working perfect. Just waiting for someone to actually speak on Talk Group 91. So here's just a bit of video of what the adapter looks like. It's on the right hand side there, and it literally just, you get these 4 plastic bolts, put them through the Pi Zero, and then the adapter with the USB at one end just slides over the bolts, and then you add another bolt to hold it in place. So when it's all in place, it looks like this. So some people prefer just to have an adapter on their Pi Zero, so on their jumbo hotspot. I think this is these things cost about £2.50, these adapters, and I just think it's useful. So thought I'd let you know about it, and it's working perfect. Just waiting for someone to talk on Talk Group 91, which is a very busy talk group.
I'm clearing November X-ray Bravo returning. Yeah, all understood there, Andreas. Yeah, with the adapters. I was thinking of doing something similar because I want to actually put a Nexion screen on mine to make it a little bit bigger so it's easier for me to read. But I think I will have to go through the step that you've already done so that I can connect it to the USB port of the computer.
Here's the finished result. As you can see, USB adapter fitted with the board. I think it's really good, and I've got it on a old USB extension cable here. I think it looks the biz. We could even put a L bracket if we wanted the antenna to there's the proof that it's working there. Connected to Talk Group 91. But we could even we could even change the antenna to make it look a bit even more cooler. So I just think it's a brilliant idea, and just a couple of pounds. All right, 7.3. Cheers. Yeah, okay, Nick. Well, it's really good to catch you, and nice and clear, good audio. I'm using a Retivis RT3S, and we're giving the adapter and the Raspberry Pi Jumbo hotspot a real good test, and it's working excellent. Take care, and we'll talk soon. M0FXB 73.